Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make taco pasta. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of ground beef, 8 ounces of your preferred pasta, and 1 packet of taco seasoning. Don't forget a can of diced tomatoes with green chilies, plus some cheese, sour cream, and any other toppings you love. This easy method ensures a delicious meal with minimal fuss. Now, let's get cooking. Brown 1 pound of ground beef in a large skillet over medium heat until it's fully cooked through. While that's happening, cook 8 ounces of your pasta according to the package instructions until it's al dente. Once the beef is browned, make sure to drain any excess fat for a healthier dish. This step is crucial for flavor. With your beef and pasta ready, it's time to bring the flavors together. Add 1 packet of taco seasoning and about 1/4 cup of water to the brown beef, stirring well. Next, incorporate the can of diced tomatoes with green chilies. Finally, add your cooked pasta to the skillet, mixing everything gently until it's all combined and heated through. Let it simmer for a few minutes. Your delicious taco pasta is now ready to serve. Spoon generous portions into bowls while it's still warm. This is where you can get creative with your toppings. Sprinkle with plenty of shredded cheese and a dollop of sour cream. For extra freshness, consider adding some chopped cilantro, sliced avocado, or even a dash of hot sauce. Enjoy your easy and flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.